Now we will try translating the following sentences in Hindi. If you notice, all of these sentences have the intransitive form of the verb used in the past tense. Please take a review at it before you jump to the answers. They went, वे गए. Sarah laughed. Sarah हंसी. John sat. John बैठा. They woke up. वे उठे. He cried. वह रोया और वो रोया. We stopped. हम रुके. You came. आप आए. तुम आए या तू आया.